Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to another recipe for sauce. You could use this sauce to eat rice or your french fries. Join me. I just sliced my mushroom. It's a mushroom sauce, okay? Mushroom and shrimp. And there's my cauliflower. I'm slicing or dicing the cauliflower right now. This is my garlic. I use this garlic matcha to match it and just use my knife to shred it more. Then there is the yellow bell pepper and my red bell pepper, so I just also went ahead to slice all of it. After that, I pack them aside. Here is my pepper. If you don't know how I made this pepper, kindly check my previous video. Okay, that was pepper I stored in here. I'm sorting out the fish I'm going to use. These are the animals I'm going to use, the protein. Okay, and here is my crayfish. Here is everything. Here's the mushroom, my spring onion and everything. So it's time to start stir frying. I just added some oil in my pan. Thereafter, I go in with my prawn, okay, or my shrimps. I don't know what you call it. So just stir fry, let it release the juice into the oil. Cover it for a little while to simmer. After that, I opened it again and stir. Cover again. This is the third time I'm covering it now. After that time, when you see that it started turning brown, then you go in with your mushroom. You can never be wrong with mushroom. This is so delicious. Then just stir fry, stir, and stir. Allow the juice to release into the oil again. Thereafter, I covered again and added my spring onion, going with my onion, my pepper, garlic, and at this time I'm pouring my tomato paste. Okay, this is fresh tomatoes I prepared myself. I already parboiled it, so this is everything now. Oh my god, look at the face now. Now I'm adding my cube, my seasoning cube, and all salt and every other spices that you will need. Now I just put in my animal inside. I added the animals I use here are chicken and fish, so this is going to be so nice. Wow, can you see the face? Ooh, I'm salivating already. Oh my gosh, this sauce is going in with rice, so this is how it is. Okay, after that, this is the time to serve. So I just pack my rice in this form. I use the plate to actually mold it like this, a smaller plate. Here I just serve it and I added some coleslaw salad with my lemon juice. So go ahead, squeeze some of the juice. And the vegetable is very good to squeeze your lemon juice on your vegetable to kill any form of bacteria. So now is the moment of truth to eat. Oh man, this food is so delicious. It's sumptuous. Oh my god, try this mushroom sauce with prawn, with shrimp. It's so nice. Try it and thank me later. You can go use this sauce for your french fries, fried yam, anything. Even in fact, I don't know, just try it. Let me stop talking so that this food can really go down. I really need to concentrate and eat this food. See you in my next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Share. We love you. Mwah.